Hey guys, I'm going to talk a little bit about the layout for our course. The CRN number 4018, this is BA 320 Organizational Behavior. Let me fix my things so I can see a little better. This is the contact information. This is my phone number. If you call, I'll answer it as soon as I can. This is my email address, pretty easy to remember. I'm doing 2 face-to-face classes this semester. One is at 11 and the other one is at 2. So you can see my office hours are structured around that. I'm going to try to get in about a half an hour before my class starts. So preferably if you're around campus, if you would want to meet me or call my office to speak with me at that time, 10:30 to 11. And then after the class, I'll go to my office and eat my lunch. And then right after the class, so those are the times that you can meet me in person. If you already hopefully went and looked at this introductory video, it tells you a little bit about my background. It follows up with this CV, which I talk about in that video. But today I want to talk about the course, so I'm going to open up the syllabus. I've tried to keep the course syllabus as simple as possible. I like things to be very simple, so I cut out a lot of the crap that they usually ask us to put in there without getting in trouble. So I want to talk a little bit about that. This is a repeat of some of that other information. But we're going to have different components for our grade. We're going to have 5 different graded discussions. Actually, I'm going to have a discussion every week, but I don't want to grade them all. Because a lot of these things I think are interesting topics that that I'm hoping that you will be wanting to speak about anyway. So we will have 5 graded discussions beginning next week. Next week is just going to be introduction. So that's going to happen. I'll show you in the course schedule in just a moment. So altogether, 30 points each is 150 points. We're going to have 7 quizzes. Every couple or 2 or 3 weeks or so, we will have a quiz. Most of the quizzes are 2 chapters. I believe the last one is 3 chapters because it's just the way it happened to work out. Those are worth 30 points each. So that's going to come up to 210 points. We're going to have 1 group video discussion. And I'm going to put you into groups right away. Hopefully next week or the week after. This is going to be an organizational behavior topic. I'm going to come up with a topic. I'm going to ask you to do some research. You're going to create a video recording using Zoom or Google Meets and send me that video. I'm going to put it up there for all of your classmates to see. So we'll be talking more about that later. We also have the peer evaluation for the group video project. So altogether, the 150 plus the 40 means that comes up to 190. We're going to have a midterm and a final exam. These are going to be essay questions because our class is very small. We only have 9 people signed up for this class. So I don't mind grading those essay questions. Right now, I have to be honest, I have no idea what the questions are at this point because this is the first time I've taught this course. But by then, I'll have several essay questions. You'll do that at home. You'll be able to type it and submit it. We'll have more information about that later. So altogether, we've got 1,000 points possible. This is our grading scale, which is all pretty straightforward. This is just a description of each of these particular things, which I just told you about. So again, only 6-page syllabus. Yeah, so I like that. I like having a short syllabus. So next, if you want to see what the schedule looks like, click on that link from Moodle. This is our course schedule. We have our first discussion. It's going to be due next Sunday. I'm going to get that out right away, either later today or tomorrow. Then we're going to have our first quiz. And again, you see this alternates. So we have a graded discussion here. And then we have a graded discussion here. We have a graded discussion here. We have a graded discussion here. And then we have a graded discussion here. All right. And we have the quiz is due on, you can see here, January 30, quiz 1, chapters 1 and 2. February 13, quiz 2 is 3 and 4, etc., etc. So we have another quiz here, quiz 3, quiz 4, and quiz 5, quiz 6, and quiz 7, and then the final exam. So everything is laid out here. I believe it's pretty straightforward. So yeah, if you have any questions with that, let me know.